Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a natural makeup look using my new favorite brushes. These brushes are made by the brand Miracos Makeup. They come in this nice compact case with a little wood accent. It flaps open and it's connected by a magnetic strip, and it comes with 7 different brushes. There's a plastic cover that's protecting all the brushes, and all the brushes are inserted in their own little spot. This first brush right here is the powder brush. It's nice, thick, and fluffy. Next we have the blush brush, which I also use for contour and highlight as well. We also have a foundation brush. What I love about these brushes is how sturdy they are with their wood handles. Now we have a concealer brush. And then the eyeshadow brush, which could be used to pack on eyeshadow as well as blend. The next brush is an eyeliner brush, but I use it for my eyebrows because it's very thin and pointy. And lastly is their lip brush. So to start off this look, I'm going to be taking my Milk Makeup Cooling Water Stick and applying that under my eyes, on my cheeks, on my chin, my nose, and my forehead to help with redness. I'm going to be then taking my NYX HD Photogenic Primer and applying that all over my face and rubbing it in. After that, I moisturize my lips with chapstick. Next step is foundation, which I take 2 Super Stay Maybelline foundations, 2 different shades, mix them together as well with my Revlon 24-Hour Color Stay. The reason why I mix all of these shades is because it gives me the perfect complexion. So after it's all blended on my hand, I'm going to be taking the Miracos foundation brush and applying this all over my face. After that, I'm going to be rubbing it in as much as I can, and then taking a beauty blender to push the rest of the product into my face. So next I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape, applying it under my eyes, on my chin, above my lip, on my nose, and on my forehead. And then I'm going to distribute the product with the Miracos concealer brush and push it in as much as possible, and then go in with my beauty blender to blend it all together. So now I'm going to set my face with my Kat Von D setting powder and the powder brush that Miracos Makeup has. I set under my eyes, then pat it with a beauty blender, and then set the rest of my face lightly with the brush. Next, I'm going to contour my face using the Miracos blush brush, but it works just as well as any contour brush. So I'm going to be contouring my cheekbones and bringing it up to my forehead. I also am going to be taking my Anastasia blush kit and taking a peachy color and applying that to the apples of my cheeks with the same brush. I then go back in with my powder brush and blend everything together. So next I'm going to be doing my eyebrows with the Miracos eyeliner brush, but it works the same for me because it's thin and angled. I take the color Espresso in my eyeshadow palette and then just do what I do. take my concealer on the Miracos concealer brush and draw a line right underneath my eyebrows just to clean them up. And then with the eyeshadow brush, I'm going to be taking a nude color and applying it atop of the concealer and all over my eyelid because I'm not doing any eyeshadow today. Next, I'm going to be doing a winged look with my Kat Von D felt tip liner. And then to brighten my eyes, I use my NYX eyeliner stick in the color Milk, and I put that on my waterline. With the eyeliner brush, I'm going to be taking the same 6-Espresso shade and applying it below my waterline. Next, I take my e.l.f. glitter liner and I apply that to the front half under my waterline. And then with the eyeshadow brush, I'm going to be highlighting the inner corners of my eyes as well as under my eyebrow. Since this is a natural look, I'm only applying mascara today. And then with the lip brush, I'm going to be applying my NYX Slip Lingerie all over my lips. And this brush gives you a lot of precision, so you could stay in the lines and you don't have to mess up your foundation and start all over, etc. And lastly, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Glow Kit, spraying the blush brush with some setting spray, and highlighting on my cheekbones, my chin, my cupid's bow, my nose, and above my temples. So that's it for today's look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys go and check out the Miracos makeup brushes. I'll link them down below because by far they are one of my favorite brushes ever. Please like and subscribe for more videos coming soon. I'm getting back to my regular schedule this week. I've been sick. I'm sure you could hear it from my voice. But I hope you guys have a great day.